Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create Fedora 43 bootable USB flash drive. The Fedora 43 OS is out and you can create a bootable USB for that. So without wasting time, first you open your favorite browser and then search for Fedora. You will get the first link, just open it. And here you can see that the latest release 43 is available. So here we are going to create the Linux platform for the desktop. So for that, just click on this link. And from here, if you move down, you can see that what all are the features of this Fedora 43. Download now. Now here in this page, you have the ISO for various systems. And if you go down, you can see that Fedora Media Writer is available. Now from here, go and download Fedora Workstation 43 Live ISO, this file for Intel and AMD. It started downloading. It takes some time. The file size is of 2.6 GB. So wait till the download is complete. Meantime, you have to go down and you have to select the media writer. You have to download the media writer. You have to select the first one, that is for Windows and Mac.
Just download it.
Now it will take you to the GitHub download page, and from here just go down and download Fedora Media Writer exe. Just download it. Now once the download is complete, just go to the desktop where you have downloaded the Fedora Media Writer. Just run this exe. Just approve it because Windows might find it as a unrecognized app. Now just click on agree, then install. And now you can finish it. Now the Fedora Media Writer is open. You have to select the ISO file. By default, it will be download automatically. Change it to select ISO file, then click on next. Now you have to plug in your USB where you want to create it as a bootable drive. And remember that the USB should have at least 8 GB of space. Now from here, select it. And from here, select the ISO file. And click on write. Now wait till the writing is complete. Now the bootable drive has been successfully completed. Now you have to click on finish. Now you can close down this window.